Today is going to be a gnarly one, because we're not looking about how bones are taken apart, but how they're put together. I thought we'd start with something easy. What do you mean none of it's easy? Each year, about 10% of our bones are remodeled. Typically, the bones that work the hardest are the ones that get the preferential treatment and are the ones that are remodeled more often. This is triggered by the parathyroid, which detects low blood plasma in the blood vessels within the bones. This is called endochondral ossification bone remodeling. There are some pretty important cells involved in this process, so it's probably important you know what I'm saying. Some of the cells involved in this include osteocytes, osteoblasts, osteoclasts, and osteoprogenitors. Juicy. These make up special tissues called osseous tissue, and a special collagen called ossein. Ossein? You see the problem. Yo, can we take a break? What do you mean we only just began? Onto remodeling. No, I'm not going to say endochondral ossification every single time. Onto endochondral ossification. Osteoclasts dissolve bone with acid and uses enzymes to destroy the harder collagenase in the bone matrix. Osteoblasts will take over and create a collagen scaffold out of osteoid. These same osteoblasts will go on to become osteocytes when they get stuck or undergo apoptosis and become part of the bone. Remodeling doesn't have osteoclasts, so it's good for increasing mass, which increases or maintains strength, and also optimizing structure. Are we done now? Intramembranous ossification? What on earth is that? Intramembranous ossification occurs in flat bones such as the ribs or the skull, and instead of replacing hyaline cartilage, it occurs directly from mesenchymal connective tissue. Stem cells form an embryonic fibrous tissue which forms osteoblasts. Hey, I remember those! These osteoblasts work a little differently from the ones we've seen previously. They form something called an ossification station. What? Ossification center. Are you sure this is the script? We'll have to do it in ADR. Spicules shoot out of the ossification center and become trabeculi, not to be confused with Alex Trebek. These trabeculi are what become woven bone. Blood vessels, which were present before the bone was formed, condense into a periosteum, which is the outer part of the bone, and lamellar bone forms between the periosteum and the spongy bone. Finally done. I'll take my check, please. Yeah, you can make it out to distinction. Ugh, this is what happens when you work with cats.